Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Steam in big picture mode and pairing the controller. This gives full access to templates and gyro options. Next, select controller settings and create a new configuration so you have a clean workspace. Pick a base template, gamepad, or keyboard/mouse, because this decides default bindings and which inputs you can map. Once done, name the profile and save it so you can experiment without losing the original settings. This prevents accidental overwrites while you test. Now you remap buttons and touchpad actions to match your playstyle, and you can assign dual-role binds for alternate controls while holding a shift. Then, fine-tune motion by adjusting gyro sensitivity, dead zones, and smoothing. These affect responsiveness and drift, so test with the input viewer until movement feels natural. Also, set up radial menus and action sets to switch layouts between exploration and combat. Make small incremental changes, because large jumps in sensitivity break muscle memory quickly. Finish by saving the profile and exporting a backup, then bind the profile to the specific game so Steam auto-loads it. Launch the game in big picture and verify each mapped input, gyro aiming, and action sets under real conditions. Make micro adjustments and resave. If something goes wrong, first reset dead zones and gyro to defaults, repair the controller, or switch to a working community template. This usually isolates hardware from config problems. Keep one stable backup so you can always recover quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.